So explain a little bit about what Beauty Edge is and why you didn't do it just as being a consultant.
I knew that there was certain skill sets that I had, and I decided to become a consultant. Sometimes individuals will leave a job and say, I'm going to consult moving in between jobs. And that's not what I wanted to do. I really wanted to open my own consulting company. I decided to do that because at the time, I have to tell you, back then, I maybe had 3 competitors. So I took the time to write a concept. I didn't do it alone as far as putting my pieces together. I did work with a placement company who helped me to launch Beauty Edge, making sure I was crossing my T's and dotting my I's. I would visit her and she gave me some really good insight, how to approach people with networking, and just pretty much kept me on track. You know, it was a great learning from being in corporate to how to write a concept because it had to be very succinct. I learned about branding and marketing. So I knew I needed to get certain positioning and where was I going to fit in the market. I made connections with a designer who worked with me on developing a business card. These were some of the things that I was doing before I had even left my role. When I go to Beauty Edge, the name is what my brand is about. It's about being on the edge of technology and bringing that experience into the product when I'm developing them. I help brands to launch from concept all the way through finished product if they need it, or if they just need technologies, or if they just need trends. It depends. Some of the companies that I have worked with, Bath & Body Works was and is a great client of mine. I had started work with them. It was supposed to be a 3-month project. It ended up being 3 years. Another great company to work with, Coty. And with Coty, everything from concept development to device development to creating trend decks for them globally. I've worked with other companies, Paris Presents, doing brainstorm sessions with DDF. Most currently, I'm working with a startup brand, which I really like a lot. It's called Shared Planet, and their initiative is about endangered species and animals.
What do you see coming from all this disruption and changes? What are the opportunities for women with some kind of experience?
So for me, switching over and working from home was not a big deal. My home office is here, and I would always visit my clients, making sure that sense of, can you do this and pull yourself up some mornings when you don't want to? When you maybe want to sleep later, or you have a big project that you don't know where to start from. That's some considerations to really have that self-discipline. I think right now, especially with COVID and this big switch of working from home, those opportunities of creating, if you wanted to have your own business, try working from home for a while to see if you like that. It's something that is a learned discipline.